Welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the Upload Original SRT feature in VMEG, and why it makes your translations and dubbing way more accurate. First, head over to the VMEG Video Translator dashboard. Upload your video file. Then click Upload Original Video SRT file. Just make sure that SRT already has the correct timestamps and the exact lines from your video. If you just go with audio recognition, sometimes background noise or overlapping speakers can mess things up. Instead, you can upload the original SRT file. It skips the speech-to-text step and jumps straight into translation and dubbing, way faster than recognition. Important tip: if you plan to download the translated SRT later, do not turn on Allow Adjustments to Video Speed once the SRT is in. Pick your original language, target language, and choose a voice style that fits the tone: professional, casual, energetic, up to you. Give it a moment, and your translated subtitles and dubbed audio show up in the editor. From there you can tweak timing, adjust volume, edit or add subtitles. Most of the time, it's already spot on. If this helped, hit like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.